The goal here is to build a team within this company of people that are going to blow this up nationwide. So our focus is number one on technology as a company. If you have the best technology and you have the best process, you give the people that you're working with the best chance for success.
So to actually see it firsthand at SEMA made me very interested in it, and then to find out that it was being set up as a franchise opportunity piqued my interest even more.
Having the advantage of all the technology and the database, being able to grasp that and know what I'm doing and have the training is like really beneficial for starting a business.
I've worked with many different brands over 22 years doing this and helped a lot of startup franchises come to market. Very few had such a unique market disrupting technology like Advanced Laser Restoration brings.
Having Greg and the rest of the team to reach out to, I think that's a huge advantage to anybody looking at going into this franchise.
With the team that they have in place, I think the growth is unstoppable.